What is going on, everybody? Happy Sunday and welcome back to the channel. More importantly, I hope you guys enjoyed preseason week 1 football. I did. Finally, real pro football is back, and we have some things to talk about in regards to NFL Sunday Ticket for the 2026-2027 season. First things first, there are not a ton of new deals out yet. I know a lot of people always ask. You guys love the other videos for getting the best offers because of how extraordinarily greedy YouTube and the NFL has gotten for their NFL Sunday Ticket purchase. Red zone pricing, it's a little crazy. If you guys missed the other videos, just to recap, I still truly think NFL Red Zone is the best offer here instead of getting the NFL Sunday Ticket, purely because of just how outrageously expensive it is. Currently on my account, I do have an offer for the whole season for $204 to see every game outside of market in the regular Sunday window. Again, keep in mind, you're not getting primetime games, you're not getting local games, you're not getting any of those other games on Netflix or Peacock or wherever else they're being streamed nowadays. So it's not as good of a deal as it used to. There's still no single team pick or package, unfortunately. So it's an all or nothing type thing. If this doesn't sound like it's up your alley, or you don't like the new $400 or $500 price point that you might be renewing at, we're going to take a look today at exactly how to cancel your subscription, and it is super easy. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first things first, if you are on a desktop, you're going to go to tv.youtube.com, and this is your typical landing page if you're going to watch anything that you have going on right now. But aside from that, you're going to look at this little shopping bag icon on the top right side. When you go into this link, you will see all of the possible networks and add-ons, what might be recommended for you, and things of that nature. And you can see right here, right off the bat, NFL Sunday Ticket for me is $204 a year, like we were just saying. So here's the options right now: $25.50 a month for 8 months, or $204 a year, instead of the regular price of $378. Or you can get the bundle for an extra $5.25 a month for Sunday Ticket and Red Zone, taking it down to $246 a year, or the savings over the $420 a year. So $246 or $204 for the extra 40-something bucks. It's worth getting Red Zone, like I said. Huge differentiator. I really truly love this aspect and think it is good. So if you get the season pass and you go ahead and register and do it however you want, you do the one-time purchase and checkout, then you will have this subscription on your actual channel. Now, when you do this, you'll be able to go under My Purchases, and you will see all of your network add-ons right here. So for instance, 4K Plus and all that, YouTube TV, those are my only additions. I do not even have NFL Sunday Ticket. I still think it's outrageous, even at the $200 price point. So if you want to manage your membership, change billings, this is where you're going to go ahead and go into it. And then you will see right here all of your add-ons. And for this add-on, if you wanted, you will just simply say remove. You will see the same option here if you had NFL Sunday Ticket. It is literally that simple to remove from your plan. Now, keep in mind though, this only is applicable before the season starts. If you're middle of the season, there is no cancellation, there is no refunds. You are going to be stuck paying whatever the remaining balance of that annual plan is that you got charged. Not ideal. Again, pretty messed up, personally, I do feel, but this is how you're going to cancel it. The other way you're going to be able to do it if you sign up just through YouTube is on those premium channels that you'll be able to find in your account when you go here and look into your benefits and all of that under Google account. It will give you an option to cancel here as well under purchases and memberships. So again, I don't have it here. I just have my YouTube Premium, YouTube TV. But if you are not a YouTube TV subscriber and you are taking it through the YouTube Premium channels, this is how you're going to cancel it here. It will just be under Manage, and then you will just be able to terminate it here as well. Pretty simple, not too crazy or complex, but I just wanted to make you guys aware of all of this. And then if you look into NFL Sunday Ticket updates for 2026, you can see here they are offering, again, for new users only, that $204 a year price. So if that is something you are a new member for, that is what you're going to be paying, but no other deals are here. You do have the YouTube TV benefit package if you want, as you can see, by getting YouTube TV and Sunday Ticket for $70 a month basically, and then it goes up to $83 for the first 3 months. but then up to 340 for the regular full season. But that's it. There are not a ton of different options this year. There are not a ton of different really benefits, changes. You have your multi-view that we've always had, but that's it. If you guys missed all those videos, they're live on the channel. We talk about all the new features. If there's anything in season that changes or I get any other sort of pricing update, we'll make sure to tell you. So as you can see, beyond all that, it is very easy to cancel. Not many new changes for the 2026-2027 season. Let me know down in the comments below, who are you repping? Go Jags, Duval, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.